We are from ETP Group 2, and today we would like to propose our proposal from food waste to food aid, converting community food waste into clean biogas to power a kitchen that feeds the underprivileged. This proposal or project touches upon four SDG. First, SDG 2, which is zero hunger, SDG 7, affordable and clean energy, SDG 11, sustainable cities and communities, and lastly, SDG 12, responsible consumption and production.
So to understand this problem a bit more clearly, we need to look at reality. So Malaysia produces 17,000 tons of food waste every day. And this food waste gets sent to landfills where they produce methane gas through anaerobic digestion. And this methane gas is actually more harmful than carbon dioxide towards the climate. Added to that, 4.8 million Malaysians are facing food insecurity. And these very same communities rely on LPGs to cook their meals. And these LPG costs are rising. And so what we see here is not two separate problems, but we see two problems connected to each other. And this connection is where we see our solution. And I'll pass it to my teammate to explain further on that.
Our proposed solution is biogas powered community food aid system. So in this solution got three steps. For our first step is collect, second is convert, third is use. In the first step, which is collect, it is a manual collection done on targeted community, and also the food waste will be centralized at a designated place. This is in the first step, which is collect. And then second step, we convert the food waste to methane gas using our anaerobic digester. And then the third step is use, which is the gas methane produced by the anaerobic digester. We will use for the community food aid system, which is help in reduce cost of LPG, and then help the family who suffer in food insecurities. Proposed solution is a community-scale biogas-powered food aid system consisting of the following components. First, waste collection. Designated organic waste bins distributed to participating households, which is the manual collection schedule is 3 times per week. Second, on biodigester unit, which is the target input capacity is 50 kg per day of organic food. The retention time approximately around 20 to 30 days. And also the digester equipped with slurry outlet for digested extraction. Third, gas purification and storage, which is iron wool on the insulated pipe to remove hydrogen sulfide and also carbon dioxide to increase methane concentration. And lastly, pressure storage tank with pressure gauge and safety relief valve. Fourth, community kitchen integration, which is the meal preparing, packaging, and distribution led by NGO and also program partners.
So let's talk about the benefit of our solution. The benefit of the system span every dimension. Environmentally, we divert food waste from landfills, reduce the methane emission, and recover organic fertilizer that replace chemical alternatives. Socially, the community kitchen operates at zero LPG cost and distributes over 50 free meals daily to families in need. The entire system is designed to be volunteer operated, so the community owns both the process and the outcomes. Economically, there are no recurring fuel costs. The fertilizer creates an additional revenue stream, and the system is low enough in cost to be replicated without significant capital investment. From a governance standpoint, this model supports Malaysia's national solid waste management goals and directly aligns with 4 UN Sustainable Development Goals, which is the SDG 2, 7, 11, and 12.
So here's what sets our system apart. Firstly, there are food redistribution apps, composting programs, and large-scale industrial biogas plants, but none of them close the full loop at community scale. So our system addresses waste, clean energy, and food insecurity in one integrated loop. So from bin to biogas to meal to fertilizer. It is community operated by design, meaning there's reduced operational cost, greater community ownership, and system built to sustain itself well beyond the initial investment. Lastly, a single unit serving 100 households produce enough biogas for a full day of kitchen operation. And this model is fully replicable across housing estates and low-income communities throughout Malaysia. And I'll hand back to our group leader to close us out. Thank you.
In conclusion, our project has the power to make use of waste and turn it into clean energy. And using said clean energy, we'll be able to provide free meals. And even the byproduct, which is the digested, can be turned into fertilizer. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.